In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to upload photos on TikTok. To upload photos on TikTok, this is how to do it. The first thing you want to do, you want to go to your TikTok account. That is, you want to open up your TikTok account. So let's open up my TikTok account over here. So guys, once you open up your TikTok account, then it's going to take you to the TikTok homepage. As you can see, this is the TikTok homepage. What do you now want to do from here? If you check the bottom here, you're going to see a plus icon. I want you to tap on that plus icon. So once you tap on that plus icon, then you want to tap on this photo on this place. So once you tap on this place, it will take you to your photo, to your gallery on your phone. So you just want to select one or multiple photos that you want. Once you select them, you just want to tap on, once you select the photo you want, then you want to tap on next. So once you tap on next, so it will take you to this place where you get to customize or edit this photo. So if you check the right side here, these are the places we have the features. If you want to add text to this photo, if you check the right side, you are going to see where it says capital, where they wrote capital letter A and small letter A. You want to tap on that. So once you tap on that, you want to type whatever you want to write on this picture. Let's just write God is good. God is good. So once you tap on that, you can see we now have this text on this photo. To edit this text, just tap on the text and tap on edit. So once you tap on edit, if you check the top, you're going to see where it says A. So I want you to tap on that A. So once you keep tapping on the A, it will keep changing the effect of that text. So let's change it. Let's tap on that. As you can see the text now. We now have this text on this photo. So if you want to add music to this photo, if you check the top, you're going to see where it says add sound. You just want to select any sound you want from here and it will be added successfully. So once you are through with all of this, you just want to check the down part here, the right side. You're going to see where it says next. I want you to tap on that next. So once you tap on that next, then you want to add title to this at the top. Once you add the title to it, then if you check the bottom right corner, you're going to see where it says post. Then you just want to tap on that post and this photo will be posted to your TikTok account. So guys, this is how to actually upload photos on TikTok. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching.